how to log into Netflix without password. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Netflix, and then from here tap on sign in right here. So after doing that, now what you're going to do is simply write down your email address or phone number, and then tap on continue, and then write in your password and log in, right? But in here, if you have forgotten your password, let's just say somehow, you can tap on the option get help right here. You'll be able to see the option of forgot email or mobile number. So if you simply tap on that one, now in here, what you can actually do is go along with the process of, let's just say your account would obviously have your phone number and your email address, right? So if you do not have your phone number access, you can use your email, or you can use your phone number if you do not have your email access, right? So you can do either way. Then simply add down your email address or phone number, then you can tap on email me or SMS me, then you'll be actually getting a link, right? So from there, what you can do is simply tap on it, and then you would need to follow the process of how you'll be able to recover your account, along with the process of resetting your password too. So that's all you need to do, and then you can go, like I said, along with the process, and you'll be logged into your account, and that is exactly how you'll be able to log into your Netflix without password. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.